What's up, you guys? So this week I'm going to show you how I laminate my brows. It's that time of the month and I have a package from Amazon. We're going to open it and let's see what's inside. I have a
brand new brow lamination kit, you guys.
Not sponsored by this company. The reason why I picked this is because this is the cheapest
brow lamination kit
on Amazon that I was able to find. So let's just put it to the test and see how my brows look. Watch them fall off. Okay, so I'm gonna pray to God they don't fall off and I look like Bella Hadid at the end. But we're gonna try this out. But in this kit, it comes with spoolies, which I'm really excited because I need some. Ooh, these little cleaners. I've always wanted some of these. And I think it comes with a razor. And it also comes with 5 products here. So you have, I believe this is like the lash glue or the glue that we're gonna use. Wait, yeah, it's the false lash glue, the priming solution, fixation, nutrition, and cleanser, and then preservative film. I already have saran wrap from my old kit that I'm gonna use just because I wanna just use it all up, but it's just like this, so I'm assuming that's what that would be. The first thing that they want us to do is to remove the oils with the cleanser, apply the glue. So we're gonna get to number 4 here, and then I'm gonna get the glue ready. These are my brows. I did get my brows microbladed this year, so this is how they look fully healed. I'm just gonna go in with some micellar water and a cotton round to just make sure I don't have any product there. I'm actually so in love with my brows after the service. Shout out to Kimmy. I have a video on my channel if you guys want to see that. But this is how they healed and I'm obsessed. One of the best things I've ever did for my face. And I think it just looks even better whenever I laminate my brows because the natural hairs combined with the brow lamination just makes it look so fluffy and cute, and it's like my favorite thing ever. But I'm gonna go in now with the cleanser as I suggested. Typically there's like a little stopper. So yeah, there's a stopper right there. I'm just gonna remove that. I'm just gonna continue removing. Remove on the other side. Here. Then now I'm gonna go in with the glue. So this one looks different from all the glues I've ever tried because it's clear, but usually it's like a lash glue type of consistency. But I'm going to apply this straight on. Oh my god, and it feels really weird. Like it feels like a jelly, but I like this a lot better. So now we're going to like lay this foundation by covering our freshly glued brows with this cling wrap here. Apply this like it's leftovers from Thanksgiving. And you don't have to do this, but I like to do this just because I feel like it really seals in the brow. But I'm just going to leave that on there. I look like a chicken or something. Okay. And then you're done. Just kidding. I'm going to put a timer on for probably 9 minutes, and then we will come right back and do the rest of the lamination.
A few minutes later.
Watch like when I lift this, all my hair comes off. Okay, no. Shoo. Now we're gonna move on to the second step. I'm just gonna grab perm lotion for number 1, the top left. So we don't remove the glue. You keep the glue on there. But now we're just gonna start applying. Keep on applying. And you guys, this smells not good. I don't know what they use to create these products, but they smell fucking foul. So if you do have microbladed brows, look it up first how long you should wait until you laminate them, because I believe it's like a couple months or like weeks. So just be aware so that you don't ruin your tattooing. Like I said, since the ends and the front are the more finicky parts that don't like to stay laminated, I like to focus and concentrate a little bit more product in those areas. Just apply it. If you want to get a clip, I only have one right now, that's why I'm using one. And I just apply that there, and then I kind of reinforce and create some heat with my fingers. But we're gonna leave that on there for 10 minutes. So I will scroll on TikTok again for another 10 minutes, and this will go by so fast. See ya. It doesn't say to remove the perm solution. It just says to apply number 2. This is taking too long. I'm gonna use the base of the applicator. But I like that. And then I'm just gonna rip it off. Clip on. Just clip it on. And so yeah, we'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Awkward. It said please remove contact lens before usage. I'm definitely wearing them. It says that we can remove the solutions. I'm gonna go ahead and use the cleanser that we used initially. Oh y'all, do you see this shit? Do you see this girl? Like, this is how my brows are gonna look. Renovate. I would look more excited, but I know how these turn out every time, so that's why I'm just like, they were gonna look fire. But it's a big win that my brows are still intact. Look, there's no, I did lose a few hairs, like 2, but they're like so baby, like you can't even tell. And then I'm gonna use a spoolie to just kind of remove. But do y'all see that? That's how you know you have a good lamination. It's like you could literally brush them in whatever direction and they're gonna stay up. But I'm gonna make them more uniformed. And do you see how it complements my microblade? They give us the nutrition, and we might as well just go ahead and use the razor that comes with it. So I'm gonna use this just to clean up any of the excess hairs that I don't want. I can use it to trim. It's actually not the best razor. I don't recommend using this. Yeah, it's super dull. I recommend using something like this. I get these from Amazon. So you can just go in there easily. But sometimes I do like to leave a little bit of the hair. I feel like if it looks a little unkept, it looks like more bushy. And then now I'm gonna go in with that nutrition. But nothing I love more, you guys, than freshly laminated brows. A nice full set of lashes. Oh yes, you see like how you could easily, I guess, manipulate the hairs. So here are the brows. I did put some makeup on. I just put some Anastasia, this like duo brow thing, and then I cleaned it up with my Milk makeup concealer and this little concealer brush. Thank you again so much, you guys, for watching this video. If you have any suggestions on what I should post for next week, please let me know down in the comments, and thanks again for watching. Goodbye and God bless.